Welcome to our roundup of the best electric vegetable choppers for home cooks, busy professionals, and culinary enthusiasts this year. Whether you're tired of spending endless time chopping, dicing, and slicing vegetables by hand, or you simply want to speed up your meal prep without sacrificing precision, we've handpicked the top electric vegetable choppers that deliver powerful performance, versatile functionality, and reliable operation, all designed to make your kitchen work easier and more enjoyable. We'll break down each chopper's key features like motor power, blade design, bowl capacity, chopping versatility, ease of cleaning, and safety features, so you can find the perfect fit for your kitchen needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest price and deals. Let's dive in and find the ultimate electric vegetable chopper for you. Starting at number 5 is the Tarusi 4-in-1 electric vegetable chopper. Tarusi has built a reputation for creating multifunctional kitchen appliances that combine practicality with innovation, making them perfect for home cooks who want versatility in a single compact device. This chopper is ideal for small to medium kitchens, home chefs preparing a variety of meals, or anyone looking to save time on food prep. It features multifunctionality with slicing, shredding, grinding, and juicing capabilities, offering the convenience of performing multiple tasks without needing several appliances. The 200-watt pure copper motor provides strong, consistent power, while its large feeding tube allows you to insert whole vegetables and fruits, saving time on pre-cutting. The design also ensures compact storage and dishwasher-safe parts, so cleaning is quick and hassle-free. The Tarusi chopper is praised for its versatility, robust motor, and ease of use, though some users note a slight learning curve to master all 4 functions. Additionally, its larger footprint may take up more counter space than simpler models. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for home cooks who want an all-in-one solution for daily meal prep and medium-sized batches. Next up is the Tumo electric vegetable chopper, perfect for countertop use in smaller kitchens. Tumo is recognized for delivering compact, efficient appliances that are easy to operate and maintain. This chopper is ideal for individuals, couples, or anyone who needs a lightweight yet versatile kitchen tool. It includes dual speed settings, giving you control over chopping intensity for soft vegetables, harder root vegetables, or even nuts. Additionally, it comes with 4 different blade options for chopping, dicing, mixing, and pureeing, making it highly adaptable. The 1-liter bowl capacity is sufficient for small meal prep, and its compact design ensures it can be comfortably stored on a countertop without taking up too much space. Users love how smoothly the dual-speed system handles different ingredients, and its easy-to-clean design is a significant plus. However, the 1-liter capacity may feel limited for larger meals, and the motor may struggle with extremely tough vegetables, making it better suited for light to medium-duty kitchen tasks. Coming in at number 3 is the Geniza electric food chopper, a brand known for quality appliances and efficient kitchen tools. The Geniza chopper is perfect for medium to large kitchens and home chefs who want a reliable, fast, and high-capacity food processing option. It features a robust 300-watt motor, capable of handling tougher vegetables like carrots, potatoes, and even onions with ease. The stainless steel blades are designed for long-lasting sharpness, ensuring uniform chopping every time. Its large 2-liter capacity bowl is ideal for batch cooking, and the transparent container allows you to monitor progress without interrupting the process. Additional perks include one-touch operation, non-slip feet for stability, and safety locking mechanisms that prevent accidental starts. Users praise the Geniza chopper for its efficiency, durability, and easy maintenance, though some find the weight slightly heavier, and it occupies more counter space. Overall, it's perfect for families or serious home cooks who value speed and consistency. At number 2, we have the Hamilton Beach electric vegetable chopper, designed for versatility, durability, and everyday use. Hamilton Beach is a trusted brand known for high-quality kitchen appliances that combine innovation with ease of use, making this chopper perfect for busy home cooks, small families, or meal prep enthusiasts. It combines 250-watt motor power, stainless steel slicing and chopping blades, and multiple bowl capacities, providing consistent performance across a variety of vegetables, fruits, and herbs. Its compact design with detachable parts ensures easy storage and cleaning. Additional features like non-slip base, splash guard, and pulse function give you full control over chopping results. Users appreciate how effortless it is to use, clean, and store, and they especially love its consistent chopping and slicing precision. Drawbacks include slightly limited capacity for larger batches, but it remains ideal for small to medium meal prep and quick daily use. Finally, at number 1 is the Black Plus Decker electric food chopper, a premium model offering high performance, reliability, and user-friendly operation. Black Plus Decker is a household name in kitchen appliances, known for durable products with innovative designs. Covering medium to large kitchens, This chopper is perfect for home chefs who need a dependable and fast food prep solution. It features a 300-watt motor, stainless steel chopping and slicing blades, and a large 2-cup to 4-cup bowl capacity, providing excellent chopping efficiency. Smart features include one-touch operation, dishwasher-safe parts, and safety locks, making it extremely convenient and easy to maintain. Its ergonomic design and compact footprint ensure comfortable use and storage. This chopper stands out for its powerful motor, versatility across ingredients, and durable build, though some users note its slightly higher price point. If you want a reliable, long-lasting, high-performance chopper for daily use and meal prepping, this is the top choice. And that wraps up our top 5 best electric vegetable choppers for home kitchens this year. From the budget-friendly Tarusi 4-in-1 to the compact Tumo, versatile Ganiza, dependable Hamilton Beach, and premium Black Plus Decker, there's an electric chopper here for every kitchen, home cook, and meal prep style. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And make sure to check the description for the latest price and deals, so you can grab the perfect electric vegetable chopper for your kitchen today. Thanks for watching.